Into this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your playlist. Not only create your playlist, use your playlist to maximize what you definitely need to achieve. Now, the question is, why do I need to create my playlist? That's the number one question. Do I really need playlists? That's the number two question. Now, let me start answering you. Why you need to create your playlist is when people eventually get your playlist or you want to stream your playlist, and then that thing that they are falling back to is your playlist, it will enable you to accumulate more watch hour. If you're monetized, you're going to be making more money. Just take, for example, as you're watching this video, you click on my playlist and then you go ahead to watch my playlist, right? Now, what am I going to be achieving? Number one thing I'm going to be achieving is for someone that is making or earning on YouTube, I'm going to be earning more coins on YouTube because my playlist, when you start watching it, it goes from one video to another. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If you first time tuning in, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop in your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for other persons to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Let me show you seamless way how you can use your playlist to get your videos recommended, you get views, and every other stuff.
So to create your playlist, guys, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on your YouTube app. So when you click on your YouTube app, you allow this load. Click on the U here where you have the small picture. Just imagine that when you click, you are on the home page like this. Go ahead to click on the U where you have your small picture there, and you're seeing subscription, the plus button, short and home beneath it. Now, once you are done, the next thing you're going to be looking out for is to look at your screen. This particular place you are seeing that is showing playlist, and there is a plus button by the side. Then you go ahead and click on the plus button, not the playlist. Click on the plus button that is above it. Now, if you click on it, it is going to pop up this other end for you where you can go ahead to put the title of your playlist. So let's assume that this particular one is titled All My Videos. All my videos, because you're going to be putting all your videos, both your live stream, both your long form videos, both your short form videos. You're going to be putting all of them in this particular playlist. So let's title this one as All My Videos. Now, once you're done titling it, ensure that you click on the visibility to put the visibility public, because if the visibility is unlisted, nobody is going to see except you share the link of the playlist to them. And if it is on private, nobody is actually going to see it. So ensure it's on public. Your playlist visibility should always be on public. Now, if it's on public, you go ahead and create. Now we are going to go ahead and go back again and create two extra playlists by clicking on the same plus button. Now we are going to be titled this My Live Stream Videos. Okay, my live stream. Okay, so put my live stream videos. Let's put S, and then ensure that the visibility is still public, and then go ahead and click on create. Now we'll create the third playlist by clicking on the back arrow, clicking on the plus sign, and then here we're going to be putting my long videos. Okay, so now let's assume these are the three playlists that we have. If you want to create more, you can still create more. Ensure you put it on public and then go ahead and click on create. You understand? Now, when you have your three playlists, you automatically have created your playlist. Now, let's assume you've created more, because me, I have more on my own channel. Then, for you to see your playlist, go ahead and click on this place. You're seeing your name, Sonia Sandavas, view channel. If you click on view channel, you're going to be seeing home, video, shorts, live, and then you're going to be seeing playlist. Now, if you click on playlist, you're going to be seeing the playlist. Okay, so now what do you need to do now? You click on the back arrow. If you want to upload with your normal YouTube app, right? As you're uploading your videos, automatically you're putting your videos into playlist. So let's go ahead and click on the plus button, and let's assume that we want to upload this particular video here. So we pick the video and then we click on next, and then we're going to go ahead. Let's assume that we have typed all our title here, and then we have our description already, and you can see here add playlist. You can automatically add playlist. You can see here my long form videos, my live stream videos, all my videos. So now if you're uploading from your YouTube app, make sure that you put all your videos on at least 3 different playlists. Don't allow your videos to just be on one playlist. Make sure it's on 3 3 different playlists. Very, very important. I might not click your long form videos, but I click your live stream videos, and I'm still going to see all the videos that you have. Now, you click on done, and then you go ahead and click on what? Upload. Now, this is the way to put your videos in a playlist before upload. But now let's assume you have videos on your studio, videos that you've already uploaded, all those your old videos, and you did not put them in playlist, and this is the first time you're hearing about playlists. Now, what do you need to do? All you need to do is to go to your YouTube studio. So now let's go to my YouTube studio app before we go to my desktop version of my YouTube studio. Now you click on the YouTube studio app. If you click on it, go ahead and click on content. If you click on content, go ahead and click on what? View all, which is the first view all you're seeing, which is where you're going to be seeing all your videos. Now, let's assume that this video I did how to make money on chili. This particular video, I have not put it inside my playlist, right? I go ahead and click on it. Now, once I click on it, I let this load, and then I go ahead and click on this pencil icon you are seeing above it. Now, it is going to show me playlist here. You can see it here after the description, visibility, monetization, audience, location. You're going to see playlist. If this video is not in a playlist, this video is already in a playlist. You can see the 3 playlists that this video is already on. So, but let's assume it is not in a playlist at all. This is how it's supposed to be. Then you can go ahead and choose the 3 playlists that you want to put the video, and then you go ahead and click on done, and then this save button will be popped up here. So let me add it up to one extra playlist. So let's add it up to my long videos playlist as well. You can see that this save button is popped up. You can go ahead and save it. Now you can do the same thing to all of your videos that you have, all of your videos from beginning to the end. You can start putting them into the playlist one after the other if you do not have playlist. Now let's assume that you want to upload with your YouTube studio, which is the desktop version of your YouTube studio. Now, for us to do that, we'll go to Chrome, because you know that it is Chrome that we'll use. Then we'll go ahead and click on what? Studio. Okay, studio .youtube.com. Go ahead and click it, and once it is loaded like this, you're going to go ahead now to upload. So now let's click on this create. This place you're seeing create, this small create here, because this is where you are going to be uploading if you're uploading with your YouTube studio, right? Now you click on create, and then you click on upload video, and when you click on upload video, automatically it will show you so that you can select file. You click on select file, then it will take you to your photo gallery. So you click on photo gallery, and it will take you to where you're going to be seeing your videos that you have. So let's assume that I want to upload this particular video that I have here, and I go ahead and click on good. Automatically it will show me that the video is uploading. Now let's assume that we've put our title, our description, and everything that we put is already intact. The next thing you're going to be seeing is you're going to be seeing this place here as well that is written playlist. You understand? You can see here right now they are telling me to select a playlist. All I need to do is to click on this place, and then I choose 3. Make sure your videos, at least your playlist at least, is on 3 different playlists. And then I minimize backward, then you're gonna click on done. If you click on done, automatically you will see that this particular video is already in a playlist, 3 playlists, as you guys can see, and then you can go ahead to finish your process and then upload. This is the simplest, easiest, quickest way you can maximize your playlist. Now if you're putting it on 3 different playlists, it is because you'll be getting more visibility, more engagement. And see, someone might come and will not love to click one playlist but will click the other playlist. And if anybody eventually wants to help you stream your playlist, the person will go ahead and stream your playlist for you without even the fear of the videos is not here or the videos is not there. I hope this video is able to help someone. Let's go back to round up with this particular video.
Thank you so much for staying stick and hold me to the end of this video. And yes, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it, subscribe, like this video, drop in your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you're among those set of people that will be like, oh, Vibe with Sonia, I want your personal coaching. This is where I do one-on-one coaching, where I personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, we are going to be achieving success. All you need to do is to check the mail that you're seeing on your screen or the flyers that is appearing on your screen, where you're going to email me and tell me that, Sonia, I want your one-on-one coaching, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. Anyways, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I love you. Mwah.